So is WCIM a good alternative to Aspen Hysys? What are the differences?
Yes, the DWC is a good software. I already talked about it, about the difference between the DWC and Aspen Hysys in my YouTube video. And the main concern with DWSim is because it is a free platform, so they have limited resources. Although it's a very good software, um, if you are starting your career and you don't have access to the commercial software, they have limitations. For instance, I needed to do some of the technologies used to do biomethane using physical solvents. One of these physical solvents is Selexol. And Selexol is a DEPG solvent, and this is not available in the DWSim data bank. So I am not possible at the first site to simulate a biomethane plant using physical solvent using DWSim. And if I go to Aspen Hysys, if I go to Unisim or Promax, for instance, they have this kind of data bank available to the process engineer work with. So this is the kind of issue that we may have with the DWSim. For standard or normal streams or components, you will have that in the data bank. But when you need something more specific, eventually you will not find there. With exception for that, the basic calculations for steady state conditions are quite the same. It's only a matter of getting familiar with one or with another or with both.